This video is about how to use Humate fertilizer in native soil. It doesn't matter what type of crop you're growing, leafy greens, potatoes, tomatoes, herbs, flowers, or fruit trees. We'll cover which Humate to apply at each stage, why Humates perform so well in native soils, and how to get the best results every season. The reason why our Humate fertilizer works so well in native soils is because it acts as a carbon-based delivery system. Humates increase CEC, improve nutrient retention, enhance microbial activity, and buffer excess salt and pH swings. And they don't have the negative environmental impact that conventional fertilizers have. In native soil where organic matter or nutrient availability can be low or inconsistent, Humates stabilize the nutrient pool, it builds carbon, it increases nutrient use efficiency, and improves soil fertility. The N-Humate is a high nitrogen formulation and is for the veg phase of growth. It's great for leafy greens, brassicas, corn, or any high nitrogen demanding crops. N-Humate supplies carbon chelated nitrogen, meaning the nitrogen stays in the soil longer, resists leaching, and converts into stable forms that the plant and biology can access steadily over time. To apply, mix 30 milliliters per gallon of water. No pH is necessary, but it is advised to use clean irrigation water if possible. Saturate the root zone evenly and apply every 14 to 21 days, aiming for 2 to 3 applications during veg, depending on crop season and season length. For longer season vegetables, continue until you begin early transition or pre-flower. Complex Humate is for transition and best used in late veg and early flowering, or right before flowering or fruiting begins. But it's also great as a standalone fertilizer for many plant and tree types. Complex Humate contains a balanced, even distribution of NPK. This stabilizes nutrient availability as the plant shifts from vegetative growth into structural building and early reproductive development. To apply, mix 30 milliliters per gallon into water. No pH is necessary, but it is advised to use clean irrigation water if possible. Saturate the root zone evenly. And apply every 14 to 21 days, aiming for 1 to 2 applications during late veg, early flowering. Usually the first week of day length changes or formation of early blooms, depending on crop and season length. K-Humate is for flowering and for heavy fruiting and flowering crops. And K-Humate is designed for flowering crops, fruiting vegetables, orchids, vineyards, berries, and any other crop that shifts heavily toward potassium demand. The K-Humate provides carbon chelated potassium that supports sugar movement, cell expansion, fruit density, disease resistance, and overall crop finishing quality. To apply, mix 30 milliliters per gallon of water. No pH is necessary, but it is advised to use clean irrigation water if possible, and you want to make sure you saturate the root zone evenly. You apply every 14 to 21 days during mid to late flower, and you can expect to use 2 to 3 applications depending on crop and season length.